Let's be real. Your business,
Amazing!
your ads,
Pathetic!
and bad marketing can mean the end of your business. You know who else had bad marketing? Blockbuster. And where are they now?
Nowhere!
See this? This is my automatic funny ads writer tool. Just answer a few questions that it asks you, and it'll write funny ads for your business within seconds.
Yeah!
And the best thing about my automatic funny ads writer tool is it'll write funny ads for your business even if you're not funny, your business isn't funny, and even if you're about as smart as a 5-year-old.
Wow, thanks.
I didn't mean it as an insult.
Sure you didn't.
So click the link below and check out the funny ads writer for yourself.
Or don't, and let your business crumble.
Whoa, that was dark.
Well, business is cutthroat.
This is true.